that's original to the hotel. So you just go ahead and hit the call button that you'll see right here. It's practically one of the only buttons on it. So as you can see that there's a glass door in the frame. So what the glass door is for, there's an automatic door on the inside, but until you open that door, the door doesn't open by itself. So normally they're automatic today, but you'll see the door on the inside open, and then we'll simply go ahead and slide the glass.
Look at this cab.
So all the interior is supposed to be original or as original as possible.
Oh, what the heck? San Jose elevator. Cutler-Hammer buttons.
And funny enough, although it's older mechanisms, it actually runs very quiet. If you notice, when it first arrives down on your floor, you can hardly hear it, and it will actually have a lot of guests. It's funny. People will be asking, what floor are you on? Even though we only have 3 floors, but people are used to, you know, being able to see where they are.
Wow, that motor.
And so same thing with the door. You simply go ahead and slide it open.
Oh, wow.
And it's the same on every door.
Look at this door tread. It's like, please. CJ Anderson. This door's really cool. There's your beak. Oh, it's got sensors. Certificate. Listen to the motor when we start.